weather was kind of iffy off and on. Is it gonna rain? Is it gonna thunderstorm? So a lot of this stuff came in yesterday. This is the Samaritan first DC-8. That GPU is running right there, so if you hear it in the background, that's what that is. Say hi. Over here, we've got a U.S. Air Force Constellation or a Connie. Looks to be in really good shape. At least aesthetically. Hoping to get inside some of these later this week to make an individual video for a couple of these aircraft. Over here. Lewis Air Legends, it says on the board. Looks to be Navy. Here we've got Pratt Whitney 747. So up that direction up there is Celebration Way. That's where all the exhibitors are, all the booths. So this is a really great view of the 747 as you come in. The main entrance is right up here of Celebration Way. So as you're coming in, the airport's behind me, the runway's behind me. It's a really great view of the 747. Like, here we are. Come check us out. And now it sounds like we started up another APU over here, so if it gets a little noisy, that's an airport. It gets noisy. Over here's the Boeing tent. They sponsor Boeing Plaza, obviously. Then the world's busiest control tower. See that there? Pretty early in the morning and the ramp's starting to fill up. A lot of people are excited to get here. The weather's good, it's nice and cool. This is the Air National Guard out of Milwaukee, KC-135. Looks like we got some more trainers here. These guys are here just about every year, except for when there's a government shutdown. They weren't here that year. Airport. This seems to be like the Air Force corner over here. This is from Banff, Air Force Base. This is the Arkansas Air Guard. Their APU's running right now. I think they're getting ready to reposition it. Maybe not. Really freaking loud. up this direction. The runway 1836 is up here. This is Airshow Center right here. So Air Ops is over here. That's the Ford Tri-Motor taking off right now. They give rides out here. Lots of airplanes coming in today still. And Boeing Plaza changes throughout the week. Things come and go. They move things around. There's the back of the Pratt Whitney there. And back over here in this corner, we got a KC-46. This is out of New Hampshire, I believe. And so I'm filming this early in the morning. By the end of the day, it'll look different. It's always a little bit different every day, just depending on what comes in, what needs to move around. A lot of planning goes into this. Making sure everything can fit. And then also, if you notice, there's aerial photos of the ramp. So we want to make sure things look cool from the sky too. But that's the KC-46. And then we're back over here where we've got the Connie off here to the right, and then the U2. So that is what Boeing Plaza is looking like right now. Monday morning, July 21st, first day of the air show. Let me know if there's something else you'd like to see, something else you want me to really focus on. Like I said, a couple of these airplanes I want to see if I can get inside and get some good video for you. That's Boeing Plaza.